Here's our 2008 Chevy Silverado. I believe this is an LT model, extended cab, 5.3 liter gas engine. Kind of do a little walk around here on the truck. Look for some signs of any damage whatsoever. See, there's a little bit of a dent right here in the front bumper. That's all I see here in the front corners at all. Looking on this side here, see there's just a couple little scuffs. I think a lot of this will actually buff off, but you can see a little scuff there and there. Tires are in okay condition. I would say they're probably 50-60% tread life left. Don't see any, oh, that'll rub off. Don't see any damage here whatsoever on the passenger side. We do have a owner's manual. Only 32,000 miles are on this truck. It's pretty darn low miles for the year. Pretty clean. And see here we've got storage in here. With my phone and my keys here. And then underneath here there's also storage. Of course, these seats, they do flip up, giving you access to a little more storage. Sorry about the pop model there. And then cup holders back here. We do have 2 sets of keys, maybe even 3 sets of keys for this truck. It is an LT. We do have a unicover topper Safari. Of course, it does have a hitch on the back. The mud flaps on the rear, you can see they're a little bent or broke. Maybe take them off. They're not factory, they're aftermarket. Take them off or bend them straight, whatever you'd like to do there. Don't see any scratches or scuffs down this side at all. Of course, everything's going to work inside. At the radio, compass up here in the mirror. This is 4-wheel drive here on the dash. This button here is